Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha, and today we are going to talk about TC Energy. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, please subscribe for more videos. So our topic of today will be about TC Energy. TC Energy is one of the Canadian energy industry, is the largest energy industry when it comes to building infrastructures that take care of oil or transport oil from one spot to another. TC Energy was founded in 1951. That is like 70 years ago. They have been in this business for a while, and they have been building infrastructures that transport oil or energy through North America. This company develop and operate energy infrastructures in Canada, Mexico, and United States of America. So it's operate in North America. And their main purpose of their business is to build and operate these energy infrastructures, like those pipelines. So historical price, and why is it important for you to know historical price when it comes to stock analysis? So this TC Energy is one of the energy industry that a lot of people invest in, and why will you want to invest in, and how has it performed in the past few years? So has it like crashed and recovered, or is it like always on the high? So historical price will help you to make decision on whether you should buy this stock or not, and how have this stock performed in the last few years. So let's look at how you will just look at that. Let's look at Yahoo Finance and let's see how this stock has performed in the last few years, and we look at the historical price and how that can help you do make your decision whether you should invest in this company or not. So here you will just put like Energy TC Energy, and you will look at the one for the Canadian one right thing. TRP dot TO. Yes, when you're looking for that one of Canadian. So if you look at now, you can now clearly see we have price here, which is 62.23. So this is like the price that this energy company is trading. And you will like look at this site later on. We will just discuss on this, which is market cap. So the market cap for this company is $61.04 billion. So it's a big company. It's somehow stable company because it has been there for 70 years since it all started. So, and then you will go down here and look at PE ratio, the price per earnings. So it's $32, which is a very good price point, and this is 1.89. So EPC is like earning per share. So this is very important for people who hand dividend, those who are investing in this company with the mindset that they are going to hand dividend. So dividend is the money that the company pay you every month or after three months. So for TC Energy, if you have 10 shares, you will hand 1.89 per share for that month or in that quarter. So this is the amount that you will hand, and handing dates is the date when they pay, they get the earnings. Dividend yield is the percentage that the company pay out per year, so which is 5.59%, which is very quite good. It's a good percentage. It's not that high, it's not that low, so it's stable. This company can actually sustain itself and sustain like the and pay out dividend, and they have been doing that for quite some time, 70 years. So you can come on this side too and look at the 52 weeks range. So in the last few days or within these few days, this stocks has gone to 68.2, which is the highest price that this company has gone to. And then this 51, this is the lowest price that this company has at reach in the past few days. So you can look at this now. It's something, and now it's in 50, 63, 62.23. So you can see like there's that fluctuation. But why are you invested in this company will help you like determine why you should just stay invested if the price goes down. So if the price goes down, which is the historical price was 51, imagine if someone who goes inside and then buy it at 68 and then they see it going to 51. If you don't understand how the stock market works, and then you will start running away at 51 and then sell your stock at loss. But if you invested for long term, you invested for dividend, you won't really mind the fluctuation between in the prices. And to look at the overview of the historical price and why is it important, we can look at the whole year price chart, and this will also help you like to stabilize your head, so not to panic whenever there is like any change in the price of the stock that you're holding. So like let's see like in this price had gone to 51. Yes, so this one was here, that's 2021. So it was here in 51.28 cents. So you see this one, and then it rise again, which is the fluctuation that I was talking about. So it goes to 57.23 cents, and then it's come back again, and then goes up again, 56, come down again. So here, so these people are just invested long term. It came to 65 and then came down all the way to 58 again, and then goes up to 58.02, which was our 52 height. Like you see high, you can even look at that left side, and it's all clear on the chart up here. So we have that 52 height, and then now it's gone down to 62, 62.34. So the main point of me showing you this chart is that prices will always like fluctuate, and they will always fluctuate and recover, fluctuate and recover. So the main point is like you should know what company are you invested in, and if the price goes down, should you panic or should you just watch it recover again and again and goes back and again. So it depends on what you believe about that company. If you see like this company is going to be there like 20 years later, and then why will you panic when you see a little bit change in price? So in fact it should like encourage you to buy more of those shares and then grow your account and grow your account day in and day out. So we already covered all those stuff, and now we go back to the slide and continue with our presentation. So like we said before, the historical price is like that, the stock price and how it has been performing for a year, in a day, in last three weeks, and all those type, how those prices are fluctuating, and whether should you be worried or not. Should you sell your stocks or shares, or should you just keep it, depending on what you believe about the company. So now let's see, like, how do we move on here? So now we will just look at what are these core businesses for this company, because whenever you are invested in this the company's shares or stock, you really need to know whether this is a stable company. What do they do? How long have they been in business? Have they ever had like any market? Have they been like, does the price fluctuate a lot? How long does it take for the price to recover? So this is a TC Energy, and they are involved in the business of natural gas pipeline. They build this pipeline that transport energy from point A to point B, and we talked about it before that they operate in Canada, Mexico, and United States of America. They do liquid gas pipeline too. Sometimes they do get opposition from the communities where they pass this pipeline in, but that one has been taken care of in the past, and we have been like transporting some oil from one point to another. So the price of this company is traded now at 67 during the time when we make this slide. But today, when we went to Yahoo, we look at it, it was trading at 62. So if you had to buy it today, you will buy it at 62.23. We also look at the 52 weeks height when we were on Yahoo Finance. 52 height, the highest point in which this company price had reached. So it had reached to 68.02, and the lowest price was like the 51 point something. So that 51 and the 52 shows like how this company price fluctuate over time, and why are you invested in will really keep you grounded, so you don't sell your stocks when they are low, but wait until like the price increase, or you keep holding them as you collect those dividends. So we also look at the at 1 year price chart, which was like the whole year, and we saw how this chart was fluctuating over time. It goes really low and goes up. So market cap, we all also look at it before, and it was like standing at $62 billion. So which actually give you that energy that this company is a stable company and it's a big company. PE ratio is price earning per ratio, the one that they have. We already saw it was about 32. Another one is this thing called EPS. EPS is earning per share. So if you own 10 shares, how much does your one share earn to you after 3 months? Because this stocks is quarterly. They pay the dividend quarterly. So for this company, we found out that they pay one shares after 3 months $1.89. So if you want to know more about TC Energy, you're interested in investing, and then you can check like how much EPS do they give to their customers. EPS, earning per share. So now we look at the price to book value. Most of the time, it's very important when it's positive, and the profitability. Finding out these things, you find them in the book, like income statement. So in the income statement, is it like income's positive or not? marginal profit. You also look at those. If they are positive and then it's good, it shows that the company is profitable. Something that you need to look at: the management effectiveness, return on equity. So do they get anything from doing the business of shares? Current ratio is the ability of a company to pay their short-term obligation or short-term liabilities. So in this case, you compare short-term current asset with the current liabilities, and if the company has more current asset, the better. So this company is in the position that they can pay back their obligation during that time. The payout ratio we already see. So payout dividend ratio, like is the one that we saw it was 5% something. So in this company, I've never missed any dividend payout, and they pay out a quite good number, which is 5%. I already show it on the chat. And thank you for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe for more videos, and tell your friend to also subscribe. I feel like this contents can help you and encourage me so I can continue making more videos, and see you next time.